box 100 nga buli kilo ngitunda siringi 14.
We asked him how someone can take care of chili in order to get better produces. When it comes to chili, you do not spend so much time in chili the same way you do hot pepper. When you plant your chili, all that is left to do is spraying. But also, the kind of insects that disturb chili are not the same as the kind of insect that disturb hot pepper. Chili is not highly infected and affected by pepper, by insects that affect pepper the way pepper gets affected. Now, also when it comes to the medications, what you require to spray on chili is more affordable than what you require to spray on hot pepper. Because with chili, if you have Dudu Cyper, you can just use that. And 1 liter of Dudu Cyper costs 16,000. Now, hot pepper needs sprays like Excel Harvester. 1 liter costs 80,000. You can use that liter for the whole garden and for a while, but it's more costly. And for it, you use 30 mils. Yet here for Dudu Cyper that we use here in chili, you use 50 mils. With Harvester, you use 30 mils in a 20 liter jerrycan.